Okay, so this one is Snickers, and this one is Rolo, and it's Father's Day, everybody. What's the date?
Oh,
it's
June
18th. So it's Saturday, Sunday, June 18th. And the goats are wearing their Father's Day bow ties, neckties, and we're going to bring them upstairs.
Now, did you get those on Amazon.com?
Oh, thank you.
Where would you get a goat
on Amazon.com?
Oh.
Where would
you get a goat? Amazon?
The neckties, it's okay, guys.
I thought that's what you were saying.
The neckties, actually, I got yesterday at PetSmart. A rescue was giving them away for a donation. Come on, guys.
Oh, okay, very nice.
Come on, keep going,
Probably
goats.
fit a small dog.
So they were made for dogs,
Okay.
but
You're trying to eat everything.
Yeah, come on, guys.
Don't eat the leaves.
Come on, guys.
Don't eat the leaves.
Come on.
Don't eat the leaves
Come
as
on.
if you're not fed.
We're ghosts. We're gonna
I know.
We're gonna eat the
Come
tin
on.
cans. Here we go.
Come on, little dog. Come on, guys. It's a party. Yeah, he's actually met the goats before. Yeah. So we're having a Father's Day party. Come on, guys. Good goats.
I have a shepherd mix, and I think Bandit would probably try to eat them. How you doing, Ken?
Whoops.
Shelly's on a hill.
Good girl, Raven. No, it's out. Don't go out. So we've had our first goat poop. I've got to go find a... Don't let them down there, okay? I know, don't let them go. They'll also go down to the barn, and I want them to stay up here. So we just gave my grandpa a grill, a barbecue, just to find out that my mom's sister already gave him a barbecue. So we'll take it back, and that was really funny.
I was trying to...
Is theirs as nice?
How do I do this?
Yeah, how am I going to say?
Yeah, you didn't seem very happy. Okay, but this one, I bet you, this little silver one, that's yours. They probably didn't give you that.
There's Raven.
And then it's green.
And then there's wherever little dog is. There he is. That's the Sliny's dog. Little dog. It's a good boy.
Peggy, this is your belated Mother's Day present. Oh, that is
She's like, I've never done a goat before, but I'll do it.
Well, I got down on all fours and kind of rearing up.
Rollo.
We're trying to get pictures of them, but they're not cooperating. Turn around, Rolo. Go, goats. There we go. Pause, stop, stay. I want to get a video of him with Raven.
Hopefully my brain is a little bigger than
He's showing he's dominant.
He's like, you better watch where you're going, huh? Raven's pretty scared.
Let's go get Sadie and see what happens.
Yeah, I don't think so.
They might not be as scared because they're used to it.
Yeah, they're definitely not as scared.
Here's a good one of him.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Send that one to me.
I mean, it's Cricket, but he's cute.
Yeah, send it to me.
So, John, we're trying to get this guy to come and do a little benefit for us at our Genentech meeting. He's from Oceanside. Jason Moran. What are you doing?
What are you doing, Rolo? No, Snickers. This is Snickers, and that's Rolo. Let's push this chair in.
And they were actually doing the dance and music. And then comes Jason.
Chair's being attacked.
Those goats do not have manners.
No, they don't have very good manners at all.
Maybe like train.
Not really.
Kara, tell me about your boyfriend. Give him a hug. I'm standing out there.
Oh yeah, careful, they will shoot holes in your clothes.
In your favorite clothes.
I got a new shirt the other day, and Snickers ruined it the very first day I wore it.
Party crash.
Hey there, Judy
I'm
J.
sorry, you locked your husband out. You locked the
Air conditioning's on.
We're trying to keep the bugs out, right?
Wait, no.
He got dressed up for you.
There you go.
You remember?
So Snickers made it through the fence. There he is. Your belly, you lost your brother. Can you come back through? Look, there we go. Now we're together. Come on, guys, let's go downstairs. I'm gonna put the goats away and see if the donkeys want to come up now. I may totally regret doing that. Come on, guys, because I don't know what will happen. Pip has never walked upstairs before, and Dash is good walking upstairs. And then we did a lesson with donkey trainer Chris, who come on, guys, who got them to go down the stairs. So hopefully we'll be able to bring them down, and hopefully they won't cause too much chaos. Come here, let me take his tie fell off. We'll never find it. Come here. There you go. Come on, goats. Come on, guys. Good job. Come on. Don't stop in front of me. Hi, donkeys. Do you guys want to go up and be part of the party? No. Get down. I'm going to put the halters on the donkeys. Hi, boys. Oh, look, it's so messy. Messy boys. And then let me put the halters on. I'm going to turn my camera off. Alright, let's try this. What happened to your ear? You want to try blueberry? I bet the goats will like it. Want to try blueberry? He doesn't really know how to eat from hands, but he's working on it. That's right. I just throw them in the garbage can. Oh.
Give it to the goats. They'll eat anything.
I will eat them. Alright, so we've never walked Pip up the stairs before, but I'm guessing he's just going to follow Dash if Dash decides he wants to come up. So come on, Dash. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Good boy.
He got that going down.
Good boy. All right.
Good boy. Yay.
I'm talking to Pip like a dog.
That's okay.
Yay.
Good boy.
Good boy, Pip.
Good boy.
Yay.
You did so well. Now we'll just have to see how he does driving down. Okay.
I know, right?
Now here,
Pause it.
you can. I'm gonna film now. Him. Yeah, no riding the donkey. Yeah, no. Okay, walk him this way on a shorter lead. There we go. Oh no, there's a little dog. I hate that feeling. So this is Dennis's first time walking a miniature donkey, probably.
Who is
It
this?
is, definitely.
That's Dennis's dog. Little dog. That's little dog.
Hi, little dog. Hello.
What the heck? This is the smallest horse I've ever seen.
Okay, so we'll just walk him over here.
I don't like this grass. Have they been up
Yeah,
here?
they've never been up here before. Come on, little dog. Come on in.
Little dog is so...
Come on, hurry up.
So, do you think they're going to wreck the lawn, or is that...
Dad said that they could have some of the...
There you go, buddy.
grass, we'll just put that piece right back.
Gotta
Yeah,
replace
just take the
it's
lead
like
off.
You gotta replace your divots.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll just take the lead off.
Donkey. Go. Here, donkey.
Donkey's
Oh, yeah,
happy
thank
as can
you.
be right now. Like, this is the best day I've ever in my life had.
Where do you wanna set these? Oh, the stuff donkeys will eat. Thank you. I know. Potential eating stuff.
Yes. Here's Snickers. I don't know. Oh, maybe we could just leave them here.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
I'm gonna eat this over here.
So that one is Pip, and then the other one is Dash. Pip is short for Pipsqueak.
So Pipsqueak. Oh my gosh, look at Raven. She's like,
Raven, what do you think?
I don't know about that.
She's like, that's kind of big.
Large dog.
Huh, you've seen him before. You're good with that. What do you think, little dog?
They could care less about anything else going on right now.
I know.
They're loving the grass.
They're like, this is great. They're like, grass is cool.
Paradise is up there.
When I was in Ireland, I'd asked him, do you watch the Quiet Man? They saw
Little dog is really cute.
Isn't he cute? He's such a good dog. He just like goes everywhere.
Hey! Is that his name? Little dog?
Yep.
Hi, little dog.
I have a 160-pound dog, so I had to call him the little dog.
Oh, your little dog. Hello, friend. Hi. Hi.
Oh, Raven's like, excuse me.
Oh, wait.
I'm getting jealous here.
Are you the only one that can be pet?
Just like, yes.
It's your house, so.
So, Grandpa.
That's where a thousand walk, a million walk, 1,000 walk. He was toe off. By the way, dog ate the
It's for you.
There, good boy.
Doing it.
They do this kind of stuff in Kentucky.
Hey, Dum Dum, long hair, come here.
Hey, you know those two guys.
Good boy.
Good boy, Pip. You can see, you can eat out of hand. You're learning.
What?
They rip the roots out.
One of the
So like goats, they just rip the top.
Oh, but they, yeah.
Yes, they're like horses and they rip them out. Yep, you're absolutely
Really
correct.
tiny mouths. Maybe not so much damage.
See right there? Look.
We don't have to point that out. We certainly don't have to tell my father about that.
John, look at this!
You be quiet. I'll kick your other
Good
leg.
having a you're gonna kick me in my bad leg?
Yep, I'll kick you in your good leg.
Come over here, John.
You know how these people have you seen the back of the truck? You've seen the ones where the guy hit, and there's a picture of an AK-47 that says, come and get it. All the
You need the goats up here.
All of our animals on the back of my truck.
Well, if we brought the, whoops, he turned around and looked at you. This is Sadie's first time.
Sadie has a friend, she likes them! I gotta get my camera.
This is Sadie's first time with the with the donkeys. Usually she's on a leash and she was barking and whining at him, but she's doing really good right now.
And she's also eating grass now.
And she's also eating grass. That's great. She thinks she's a donkey.
She's like, I got a new dog.
She's smelling the goat urine.
Yeah, the goat peed on that. He jumped up. It was Rolo. He jumped up on that chair cushion and decided to take a leak.
Okay, John, we need the dogs. Come on. You guys, you need to get over here. You need to call these dogs over and take these here. I need horses.
Sadie, come here. Sadie.
I need donkeys, horses, and goats, and boys.
We need some goats up here.
Dad, get over
No, Sadie would eat the goat. Oh, are you trying to get them all over there?
We want Dad with Dad. Dad, John, you need to move over there in the middle of, next to Kevin.
Okay, hold on. Let me get my shoes on so I can help wrangle the...
Permanent damage there. I don't know where to click.
Come on. Oh, we gotta have little Don. Come on.
Good boys. Good donkeys.
Come on, Pip. Come on, Dennis.
Yeah, you gotta get the donkey. We're doing this. We gotta get the donkey.
Yeah, we're getting the donkeys.
Okay, I gotta get my shoes on real quick. Alright, she's trying to take a picture of the 3 dogs and the 2 donkeys.
Okay, pass that. Pass that to my dad.
What is that? Dad won. Okay.
Sadie, let's get what? Donkey ass.
Happy Father's Day.
Okay, pass it to the dad behind you.
There. Alright, next dad.
Okay.
Oh, perfect. That's where everybody is.
That's adorable.
Get it?
Bye.
Get it? Can we
Yeah,
let
I
her
got
in?
maybe one more.
Oh!
Where's, oh, there's Ken.
Did you say you got it?
No, we haven't eaten.
You got it.
Alright, for those of you who are holding the donkeys, you can unclip the lead rope.
Okay, there you go. Come on, guys.
Okay,
Raven, good girl. If you're letting somebody else hold you, that is a really good girl. That's a really good girl.
followed by
Yeah,
the dentist,
that was a really good dog.
and then the mothers.
Dad's eat first. In order of seniority.
Kids that are gonna be dads.
Well,
In about 100 years.
you never know. And you need to wait till you're 30, Paulo. 30. Can I tuck in your tag?
Yes, you may. Thank you so much.
I love your animals.
Do you?
Hello. So, all right. So today, right now, is the end of Father's Day. It went really well. Morgan, my cousin, who you've seen in previous videos, maybe not, unless whatever. Anyways, Morgan, my cousin, she and Kara, my sister, helped put the donkeys away. I wasn't feeling good, so I had to go upstairs, and they took care of the donkeys, and then I went downstairs right now to ask if Morgan would feed the animals, and Kara said she would help, which is awesome. So Kara and Morgan are now going down to feed the goats and the donkeys. And so, and yeah, and everybody had a really good time. Everybody said they had a lot of fun with the animals, and think the animals enjoyed themselves, and yeah, and it was a good Father's Day. My dad had a good Father's Day. He liked his gifts, and the people, the company, and my grandpa. It's kind of funny about his gift. About we got him a barbecue, and my aunt got him a barbecue, and we didn't know that, and so he actually got 2 barbecues for Father's Day. And so we're going to just return our barbecue, but the one that we bought him, because he said he's good with the first one. But we told him he could choose between the 2, and he goes, oh, I'll just keep the first one. And so, anyways, it was really funny. He didn't want to hurt our feelings or anything like that, but he was silent when we were like, it's a barbecue, look at it. And then he was just like, oh. It was hilarious. So, anyways, funny stuff. But all right, so the animals are good. I'm really nauseous right now and in a pretty good amount of pain. So I am going to lay down, and yeah, so I'll film a next adventure next time.